Uncle Drew's on the tractor. The apple orchard's going deep, deep, deep into this orchard. We're gonna be baking pies and tarts and sauces. Boom. Oh, this isn't good for my back. Oh, jeez. Maybe I should have walked. This isn't good for my back. Felt that one all the way up my arse. Honeycrisp, they say they're done. I'm still gonna walk down that aisle. Oh, you're in a Costanza. Oh, look, that's my first pick of the season. Oh, looks good. In the bag it goes. Oh, look at these trees. Oh, look at that. I need a vertical to get that one. Channel your inner Kobe. Channel your inner Costanza. I need that ladder. I'm getting that ladder. Let's see what we can get here. Going up. Doom, 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 doom. Spies. I'm gonna go up one more level. Whoa, that was not a step. I'm getting that one right there. Much tougher to pick with one hand on a phone. Cold and delicious. Well, let's see if these are gonna be good enough for us. I think right here we're gonna do some damage. These taste good. Spot Uncle Drew. I'm in the apple trees. I'm way up high. And pies and tarts and sauces. Lost in the apple orchard. This is my haul so far. Got a lot of apples in there. Uncle Drew here, deep in the apple orchard, high up on the ladder, picking the best apples. I think I've eaten too many. I'm sick, either from eating too many apples or from all the pesticides on them. Either way, I've had too many. Got all these apples, and now it's time to go bake. I'm okay, I'm okay. I saw the perfect apple I needed to go for. Uncle Drew, always okay. Boom. Roll for this shit. Can't get up. Falling and I can't get up. Time to go bake a pie. Look how far I have to walk back. Okay, I'm done picking my apples, but here's a pro tip. Don't start picking at the front of the orchard. Walk to the back of the orchard, pick those first, then pick ones that are close to the exit. Look what I have to carry. I'm lucky I got guns here that I could, oof. It's gonna be a long walk though. Look how far I have to walk. Look, especially after I fell. Walking all I mean, I just came from the Cairo. I'm gonna have to go back and see him again. Dr. Sean, I'm coming back, buddy. Sorry. I think I knocked everything else out of line again. I still have, so far, I think I'm lost though, because which way to, I mean, this all looks the same. As if I'm hunting for golf balls again. Oh, there's the ladder that I fell off right there. So you benty beach got the mat. That's where I was, right there. I was going up, like Denzel's Music and Training Day. I was going way up. There were a couple more though that I didn't get. Can you see those guys right there? I think I should go for it. I think I should go for those two. Okay, they look so good up there. We still have room in the bag. I don't really have room in the bag. That's it, I'm not getting any more. This is ridiculous. Great day to pick apples though. Beautiful weather. Sunny, it's hot. I go get on the tractor. I'm not walking back. This is brutal. Holy cow. You see how far I walked? Look behind me. Look, apples for miles here. Let's keep going. So this is, I came out to Toronto, Canada. It's really North Toronto, Downey's Apple Farm. Huge place. We gotta get our tractor. I hear it. I think I'm gonna lose some of my apples on this tractor ride back. Check them out. So they got a private limo. I'm the only guy on this tractor. Check it out. Check it out. Only guy. That's oh my gosh. I didn't get any of those. Oh, they're eating. Did you guys see them eating apples? They're eating apples. That's $1 fine if you're eating apples in the orchard. See if there's anybody else eating apples in the orchard. Oh yeah, they're eating for sure. They're eating for sure. Oh yeah, he had one that's saying that's $1. Oh, there's $1. There's another $1. They're all gonna be fined $1 for eating apples. Peekaboo, I see you. Oh, for fuck's sakes, that was a bad bump. I felt it all the way through my balls on that one. I don't know when that was recording from.
Oh, that's the exit.
Oh, where's the exit, bro?
On that garbage can.
Okay, thank you. I couldn't focus after my freaking testicles were in my throat from that tractor ride. I was so disoriented I didn't know which way to go. This apparently is the exit. See? I thought I ordered the ride without the back pain. I am getting fucking jerked every which way from Sunday on this tractor. And the shocks checked. New tires or something? I can feel my man boobs moving everywhere on this tractor ride. You have to eat better and go back to the gym to get rid of the man boob. Keep the camera higher. Here, we're making the turn. Sunrise. I didn't see no sunrise. All I wanna do in a hurry and don't know why. Boy, Baz and I used to listen to this song all the time. Pours out. I gotta go put these in the car. Buy these right now. These are always a hit. Let's get some of these. Half a cup of brown sugar, regular white apples, Sprinkle of nutmeg, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, teaspoon of vanilla. I can smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Cornstarch mixture. We thickened up our sauce. Testing it out before you fill your crust up. If it's not good, I'm not serving it. I would still serve it to my brother. Oh yeah. Boom! We're gonna go ahead and fill this pie up. We placed one. Roll back 2 and 4. Place another. Roll them up. Roll back 1, 3, and 5. Place another. Roll them back. Turn it up and over.
You get 3 rings?